How to find mobile hotspot password on Samsung. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to quickly find your mobile hotspot password on Samsung Galaxy. Sharing your mobile data connection with a device or multiple devices through mobile hotspot can be a convenient way to share your mobile network when you're on the go. Let's see how you can do it. First thing first, you need to open up your phone settings and then head over to connections. Once you are on your connection settings, you are going to have to tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. And then from here, you just want to turn this one on. And to do that, you first need to turn off Wi-Fi on Samsung. So go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi network first. And once your mobile hotspot is turned on, you can easily manage your connection settings. You can find your Wi-Fi password right below the network name, and if you want to customize it, you can just tap on it to edit it according to your need. It should at least be 8 characters. You can also change the band, so if you want faster Wi-Fi, you can just go ahead and change it to 5Z, but you have to note that it will consume more data. Once you do all of this, go ahead and tap on save. And once you do that, you can easily find the password from here. Another way to quickly find your password is by your quick settings menu. So go ahead and scroll down on your notification panel. And once you have done that, you can find the mobile hotspot settings right here. Long press on it. And once you do that, it will directly take you to the mobile hotspot settings. And you can find the password from here as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.